it's me, Minnie here. It's really early. It's 9:30 in the morning. Like my makeup today. I might be going into like Kitchener in Ontario because I live in Ontario. But I might be going into Kitchener today, so I might make vlogs. Okay, anyways. Today's vlog topic comes from Twitter, and a vlog topic, no, not from Twitter, sorry, from YouTube, YouTube. I was watching some videos, and I commented on a few, and they said, hi, could you do a vlog about this? And I was like, yeah, sure, whatever. So, these are apps that I have on my phone that I am, like, dying over, like, they're, like, so much fun, like, I love them so much. Happy Poo Jump, Ice Cream Jump, Ice Cream Fall, or Ice Cream Drop, and Happy Poo Fall. So it's really, really fun. You can get them there by Retro Dreamer, and then I also have a game called Socks by Retro Dreamer, and a game called Wash the Dishes, and a game called Happy Poo Turd Polisher, which are really fun. So anyways, just like to do a little update about that. They're really, really fun games. I really think you should get them. You can only get them on Android phones and on iPhones and stuff, and on your tablets, whatever, iPads. So, yeah. Anyways, I was just telling you about that. I love those games, so keep me posted on them. You can do a video response and show me your high score, okay? So, bye! Aw, I didn't have a kiss anyways, bye.